provide, giving comfort and need. Show you commitment and love and loyalty. Take this journey with Tierra, many things to see. Yeah, I'll show you love again.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tierra. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are returning, hey girl, hey. Welcome to this week's vlog. I just woke up and I took a nap before I had to get up to get ready for work. I'm about to get ready for work. If you guys don't know, I work at night. I work third shift, so I'm gonna get ready for work, and I hope you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you get some good rest while I am awake. All right, talk to y'all later.
Hi guys, I'm going to the building of education where they don't teach you anything.
What?
The building of education where they don't teach you anything.
They don't teach you anything? I think your hair's sticking up right here.
It's 8:30.
You ready to walk out?
Yeah.
Have a good day. All right, so I just got Soraya on a bus and Cheyenne just left out. So now I am about to clean my bathroom. Look, sometimes what I usually do is bribe Cheyenne to clean my bathroom because I don't want to. But I'm just going to go ahead and clean it because, to be honest, even when I let her clean my bathroom, I don't do that too often. Like, I still feel like I need to go behind her and do like a better cleaning. So that's just like when I'm being like lazy, I'll just bribe her like, hey, you want to make a couple dollars? Since my bathroom is technically, I want that to be on me. Like, I mean, it's my bathroom. So anyway, so I'm about to do that. And then I don't know. I think I did mention this. Monday is my birthday. Does that really matter? Not really. I'll be 37, and I keep going back and forth in my mind on if I even so much as want to do anything, barely like acknowledge my birthday. I don't know if I want to go anywhere. When I think about going anywhere or doing anything, I get exhausted. Just the thought, putting on clothes, going somewhere around people. I just don't feel like it. But then I feel like I'm not, what is it? Like, I feel almost like I'm not honoring myself for my birthday, or I'm not acknowledging another year, you know. I don't know, because my daddy used to always say, man, birthdays is just another day. And it's like the older I get, the more I'm starting to understand that. And if it do feel like just another day, like, I mean, it's a Monday. So I was thinking to myself, I was like, well, today is Friday. So technically I could, go out, do something, go out to eat or go bowling, go somewhere. But again, the thought of it is making me tired. And with it being Friday, I'm like, well, it'll be better to do it today because, not only am I off, but I slept overnight. So I'm not really tired. What do you call it when you're not sleepy? I just don't want to. Like, it's not that I don't have the energy. It's not that I don't, like, I'm lacking sleep. I don't have the want or the motivation. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. So, I don't know. I haven't decided if I want to do anything later on today. And If I do, I don't know, who knows, but if I do, I'll take you guys with me. My coworker did mention going out somewhere today. But I don't know. I don't know if I want to do that. Y'all, I'm so back and forth. I don't even want to make up my mind. The crazy part about it is technically my mind is made up. I really don't want to go. But it's like I'm trying to talk myself into wanting to do something. So it's like my mind is made up and I'm trying to unmake my mind. Y'all, I be getting on my own nerves sometimes. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to do anything. If I do, I will pick you guys back up. But if I don't, baby, I don't even know what's going on like this week other than like wrestling. Well, not wrestling, but trying to get Cheyenne to take her vitamin D pill. That didn't work out, as you guys saw. But her doctor did send in a new prescription for vitamin D drops. So she giving her liquid. That should be better. And hopefully the amount that she wants her to take, which is, I think vitamin D, they measure it in like UI or something like that. Like, so her vitamin D levels when I got them rechecked were 19. And I guess for her age and height and weight and stuff, it should be between 30 and 100. So it's still low. So we do still have to do the vitamin D. And she wants her to take like 50,000 UI a week to bring her vitamin D levels up. For whatever reason, that just sounds excessive to me, but I also don't know how much it would take to bring it up. So apparently vitamin D is important, so I'm gonna have her do it. But if she has like any kind of a reaction to it, like an upset stomach or we're not doing it. So it just depends on how she reacts when I give it to her. I should be picking up the prescription either today, later on today, or tomorrow because they said it is in progress. Baby, I don't even know. Like I said, I almost feel like I just want to relax. I want today to be one of them days I do nothing. I just breathe, you know? Even though I am about to clean my bathroom, and technically that's not like a resting day, but because it's so early in the morning, I feel almost like if I get this done now, I'm going to feel like I had the whole day to relax because I got that out the way early in the morning. So that's what I'm about to do, and y'all just vibe out with me.
I don't know if I'm okay. I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be your sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib using no hands. So did it feel like I'm floating? But I'm falling with both eyes closed when I let the world spin. Testing the water, she got my nerves tense. Back when I ain't even have a purpose, I was so eager to learn some things. Anxiety bring out the worst in me. Society paint me as enemy. My making it by that remedy. I'm more occasional, don't do it regularly. Backs under my eyes, weighing down heavily. Mama been worried, the devil allegedly deep in the plan. Subconsciously wanted it since I was 10. I thought I was sharp on my scroll and my pen think it did. So mama found shit of them legs. She told me that's not who I am. But nowadays I put on for the fam, see it when I can. I'm surrounded by my feelings, I'm stuck on a Ferris wheel. I bet I perish with 140 acres. She want the horse and the carriage, a porcelain portion of garbage. I talk to the mirror, I know that life's not the fairest. I lost my can, I can't pay off the bills with the blessing. Not sure I relate to the Reddit page. It's feeling like money is everything. Money is everything. It's everything I need. Till I lay my eyes on you. I don't know what this is, yeah, but I feel like it's real, baby. I don't wanna pretend, no.
I am tired than a motherfucker, but I'm glad I got that out the way. I'm probably finna sit here watching TV and try to relax because I am tired and I'm trying to enjoy myself before the girls get out of school. And then, of course, they gotta talk to me and whatnot, you know. I like my peace and quiet, okay? All right, so I have a lot to do today. I am doing a lot of running around, and I got to get y'all caught up on what's been going on. I was vlogging everything, but some of the stuff I didn't get a chance to vlog, so I'm going to just give you guys like updates and stuff. The doctor did end up switching Cheyenna's vitamin D from the pills to the liquid, which I'm super happy. I'm happy that it's liquid because it's easier for her to take it, but I'm not happy because now she has to take it every day, as opposed to if she would have just swallowed the pill, it would have been once a week. So, yeah. Of course, she would want it to be more difficult. I am currently watching Cheyenna get on the bus. Here's the thing about it. Cheyenna, okay, so I walk with Soraya at all times. But Cheyenna, she is in middle school, so she goes and she gets on the bus. And she thinks that she's, like, independent and, like, that she goes and, you know, like, oh, Mom just lets me, you know, walk on my own. I'm old enough, blah, blah. Girl, I be all over her, stalking her. She don't know that I'm always in the shadows. I got eyes on her at all times. I don't know. Maybe it's either the overprotective baby, it's either the overprotective mama bear, or I just got trust issues or control issues. I don't know. Whatever the case may be, I just always want to make sure that they're safe. I have to. God, it's so much I gotta do. I gotta go to the DMV. Is it DMV or BMV? Girl, who cares? I have to go renew my registration. I have to go renew my registration for my car because, you know, I tried to call myself going once before. They said that I didn't need an appointment online, but then when I got there, they said I needed an appointment. So my appointment that I scheduled is for today. I was just going to do it online, but I would rather just have a sticker, stick it on there, and be done with it. So I'm going to go do that. I have a form that I need to go have notarized. I have to meet with my insurance person about insurance policies. What else? I gotta drop Cheyenna's Nintendo Switch. I have it right here, but I have to drop her Nintendo Switch off at Best Buy. I have an appointment to get her Switch fixed because I don't know if y'all, like, they got like this little Joy-Con little thingy on the controller, and yeah, that little part is broke. So, and I have insurance on it, so they need to fix it. I'm hungry. I feel like before I get any of this done, I need to go eat. I need to go find me something to eat. I ain't saying that I want to drink no alcohol. I'm simply saying a mimosa wouldn't hurt nobody. All right, so I don't know. I know it's something else I'm missing. Some store I got to stop at or something crazy. It's always something. It's always a lot. And then I still haven't even done laundry. I still haven't cleaned up. I'm annoyed, but I will get it all done. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Okay, so since I am here, I may as well and the Listerine that I need is on sale. It's the one the girls use, so I'm gonna get that one. Alright, y'all, so I am here to get my registration. Yeah, this is the stuff that I hate about being an adult. Like, I remember when I literally used to be, I didn't care about this type of stuff. I didn't care about registrations. I didn't care about car insurance. I mean, yeah, it might be bad, but, you know, there are people out here that, you know, they don't think about that type of stuff. Why? Because they can't afford it no way. So why even think about it? So I am about to go in here and get my stickers or whatever. Even though I have until the end of next month, I just want to go ahead and do it and get it out the way now. And then after this, I have to get Soraya off the bus. And then I have to go and shout out to both of my friends for real, because I have, like, you know, I'm doing like this whole paperwork and stuff, and I had to have it notarized and have 2 witnesses there while I sign it and get it notarized. So shout out to them for actually, you know, coming with me and doing that for me, because it is very important. And yeah, so after I get done with that, hopefully I'm done for the day, and then I get to go home, just do laundry. The biggest thing is to just I hate being in regular clothes. Like, I just want to get out of these clothes. I want to just be comfortable, and I'm never comfortable in regular clothes. Like, I just want to go home and be comfortable. So even if I get hungry, it's gonna be we're gonna have to get something delivered. I don't feel like doing nothing else, going nowhere else, doing nothing. Okay, so I'll talk to y'all later.